Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Sunday, July 26. My name is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, taking you through the briefing for today. The primary weather concern over the next week or so will revolve around shower and thunderstorm chances, beginning across southern areas Monday afternoon. The shower and thunderstorm activity should move north and east and overspread all of East Idaho, getting late into Monday night and especially by Tuesday. And the activity will begin to thin out by Wednesday, where it should be focused mainly along the Montana border and the central Idaho mountains. This activity will have the potential to produce gusty outflow winds and lightning as well. Some secondary and tertiary concerns this week revolve around the potential for some hot temperatures, especially late in the week, and also some localized degraded air quality issues due to wildfire smoke, but not expecting widespread decreases in air quality. Taking a look at your current satellite view, closer to home here, we can see some speckled clouds over across Nevada and Utah, indicative of the leading edge of the increase in moisture, and that moisture will be moving up from the south. Looking even farther south across southern Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado, we can see increased moisture across these areas, and a chunk of this moisture will move north across the Great Basin, and that's what will be responsible for our increased shower and thunderstorm chances. Taking a look at your weather impact matrix, not expecting any impactful weather today, but as we get into Sunday, especially later in the afternoon, we'll begin to see those showers and thunderstorms with those gusty outflow winds work their way across the Utah and Nevada borders into the Magic Valley, southern Snake Plain mostly, South Hills and Southeast Highlands, especially towards Preston and Bear Lake. That activity will expand north and east Monday night, and during the day on Tuesday, shower and thunderstorm chances are in the forecast for all of eastern Idaho. And like I mentioned, by the time we get to Wednesday, the shower and thunderstorm chances are mostly closer to the Montana and Wyoming borders. Here's a look at the forecast radar detailing the potential expectations here over the next couple of days. I'll let this run through, and then we'll talk about it in a little more detail as the forecast radar here works its way through its loop. Here we go. Monday afternoon, you can see the showers and thunderstorms working into the South Hills and the eastern Magic Valley, maybe even getting into the Wood River area as well, but the best chance Monday afternoon will be closer to the Utah border. You can see how that activity expands, especially as you get into Tuesday afternoon. Now, there are still going to be some adjustments to this forecast based on location, timing, so we'll continue to refine that. And also, will the thunderstorm coverage be isolated or scattered? These are all questions that will have to be answered here over the next day or so. Taking a look at the current forecast rainfall amount again, since this is scattered, isolated to potentially scattered showers and thunderstorms, this forecast is still subject to change, but the overall flavor of the precipitation totals here that stands out is that most areas will not see wetting rains. Most areas should see less than 1/10 of an inch, but there will be localized areas that do get over 1/10 of an inch of precipitation in the Monday through Thursday time frame. It's just that those areas of higher precipitation totals will be the exception rather than the rule. There's simply not as much moisture with this system as what we had last week. But again, just to give you a general idea of the potential precipitation, at least at this time. Taking a look at your high temperatures, we'll add a couple of degrees on Monday compared to your Sunday's highs. And then with the increased cloud cover on Tuesday, we'll drop several degrees off of those high temperatures for Tuesday. That won't last long, though. We'll begin to rebound those temperatures and pump those up, especially by late in the week. Minimum relative humidity will be below those critical values, particularly by the time we get to Monday. One bonus is we're not expected to have critical winds until the showers and thunderstorms arrive late in the day. We can see the increase in humidity on Tuesday, so we'll have those showers and thunderstorms around. We're not expecting critically low minimum relative humidity values by Tuesday, but we will gradually begin to dry those out as we go into midweek, especially by Thursday. And we're showing you the minimum relative humidity values here on Friday, which should be the low point through the week. Notice a wide portion of the area seeing minimum relative humidity values below 15% at this time. We'll also see breezy conditions develop by then, and also some warm temperatures. So secondary fire weather concerns by late in the week due to winds and RH potentially. Your 8 to 14-day temperature outlook shows odds favoring near normal temperatures and below average precipitation, not seeing much in the way of the traditional monsoonal signature here as we get into mid-August already by this time. So again, your weather impact summary will be dominated by the shower and thunderstorm chances from late Monday through Wednesday. That concludes the briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome those to the phone number, email address, or social media channels you see here. Otherwise, please join us again for your Monday edition of the East Idaho Planning Briefing. Thank you and have a good day.